Alright guys, so this is a hurricane that's blowing through, I think it's called Isaias, I think. So it's blowing through Connecticut, well, the northeastern region, which includes Connecticut, New York. Currently is a few folks, what do you call it? Power is out. We still have power here. Hopefully it stays that way. But we're getting some really crazy winds. You can see. Let me go down a little bit lower. You can see some. Why am I outside? Because this is what I do. I do media. Like you look, part of my yard there is a bunch of leaves that's out there. Ah, my flower pot, great. So this flower pot blew down. Okay. Let's see here. Hopefully it stays up. But yeah. Nothing too crazy yet. Hopefully again it stays that way. But we have like a lot of trees around, especially these big ones. So I'm hoping they stay up and they don't fall. But yeah, it's raining, very windy. And it actually sounds and feels a little bit like a tornado, to be quite honest. You can see some swaying of the trees by here. But I'm just listening to the sound. It sounds very reminiscent of like Jamaica, and hearing the wind. Look at this tree right here. Like swaying like hell. It's blowing. You can see, let me see if I can get that shot there. Maybe not. But yeah.
That yard is a mess.
Could have been worse. I remember a few years ago this tree right here, this tree right here used to be an upright tree, and it fell when we had a similar hurricane. I forgot the name of that one, but it fell, and now it's like that. It's like a willow tree. But yeah, it's I'm not gonna stay out here too long because I'm not that crazy, but yeah, what I ended up doing, like regarding some stuff that's on my deck, I had to turn some chairs down, take the umbrella down, put that over there, put that chair flat, in anticipation of what I knew was going to happen. So yeah, this is what's happening so far. Hopefully it does not get worse, or hopefully the winds do not intensify and it just stays as is. Give us some rain. My lawn needs some water anyway. But yeah, I'm getting kind of wet, so I'm gonna go inside and let nature does what nature does. Because regardless, nature does what nature does. Nature cares zero about what we think. And that's a fact. Thank you for watching Ready T Plus as I get out of this hurricane. 2020, it's one hell of a year.